This DEWALT 20V max 7/4 sliding miter saw comes with a battery and charger which provides on average 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3/4 pine baseboard. Adjustable stainless steel mitre detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DEWALT 20V mitre saw utilizes 20V max battery pack which provides on average 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3/4 pine baseboard. Number 2. Integrated cut line cross-cut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility for the miter saw. Number 3. DEWALT miter saw can cup 3/5 inches nested crown and 3/2 base vertically. Number 4. Adjustable stainless steel mitre detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. Number 5. Oversized bevel scale makes bevel angle adjustments accurate and easy. Number 6. Compact, lightweight design 31.6 pounds allow for easy transport and storage. Number 7. Camlock mitre handle delivers quick and accurate mitre angles. Number 8. Precise mitre system and machine-based fence support optimize durability and cutting accuracy. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this saw also have a 120V AC option? Answer: no, this does not include an AC option. Question number 2. Will any DEWALT 20V max battery 4.0 work with this saw? Answer: yes. All DEWALT 20V batteries will work with the DCS361M1. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.